Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Study Studio. Let's learn some two-letter words with the A short sound. Now let's blend the sound together. So first one is at, 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 add, 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 no, an, no, n, m, m, x, 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 at, at. So what is this letter sound? Eh. This is t. At, 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 add, nu, n, mu, m, x, eh. Now you learn how to blend the sounds together to make a short sound. So let's read all the sounds A words together. At, add, add, no, n, m, x, x. Next time you will learn more words with another vowel sound. Till then, bye. So next we are moving to the next worksheet. So let's trace and read these words together. M, m, nu, n, s, at, x, eh. Thank you for watching.